Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro. It's time now for the Beerman discussion. Let's talk about the preparations of the San Miguel Beermen for the upcoming Governors Conference of the PBA. Arwin Santos men are ready for the ultimate surprise for the one last time of this season. San Miguel are ready to get boost and make some more reliefs and more practice, especially in training skills under the Coach Leo Austria's administration. So, magandang hakban, pero ito na ang huling pagkakataon na sila'y maging kampiyon muli sa liga na ito. Although, we're still on top on overall, but San Miguel needs to prove that they are number one in this PBA best league of this country. Next one is the injury update. Aaron Santos, Gabi Espinas are out for 4 to 6 weeks due to surgical process on the kneecap. Kaya matagal ang recovery na ito. So, ibig sabihin, hindi sila maglalaro sa 4 to 5 games, especially including the All-Star break. Kaya malaking kawalan itong San Miguel Beermen, especially the captain, Aaron Santos. Chris Lutz and Yancy De Ocampo are also out for 2 months because of back shoulder problems. Pati yung likod niya may problema na rin. Kaya out sila sa 2 buwan. Kaya probably he will, or both them are missed in the halfway mark of the Governor's Conference games. So, well, get well soon for the four of them. That will be a big blow for San Miguel Beermen. Although, we have a comeback players from the Loney clubs, the draftees from last year, Michael Mabulak and Andretti Stevens are now available in the SMB roster after making an early release from the respective loan clubs, and they're now ready for the Governor's Conference as well. Well, we don't know yet. SMB is still searching for the import, probably from the Southeast Asian country, so that San Miguel will get back on their track. And especially the latest from the 2015-2016 third batch and last part of the fixtures. First up will be Barako Bull on Sunday, July 17. Next up is Buentito against NLEX. Then on the following week, we're facing Mahindra, and the last part will be Star Hotshots. So first four fixtures for San Miguel Beermen has been released, because after that it will be another international break, All-Star weekend once again. Then they're back in action on the remaining games. So yun na yun. That's it for the Beerman discussion. It's also comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfuntv. I'm Andrew Alvaron and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao! Bye.